You're walking through a fruit orchard. You have exactly 2 baskets. Each basket can only hold one type of fruit. What's the maximum number of fruits you can collect in one continuous walk? Sounds like a word problem from school, but it's actually a classic sliding window question in disguise. The real question is, longest subarray with at most 2 distinct elements. Let me break it down. The problem. You get an array of integers, each integer represents a fruit type. You have 2 baskets, and each basket can only hold one type of fruit. You must pick fruits from a contiguous subarray. You can't skip around. Find the maximum number of fruits you can collect. Strip away the story. This is just longest subarray with at most 2 distinct values. Example. Fruits array 1, 2, 3, 2, 2. We need subarrays with at most 2 distinct types. 1, 2, 2 types, 2 fruits. 2, 3, 2, 2, 2 types, 4 fruits. 1, 2, 3, 3 types, too many. Best is 2, 3, 2, 2, 4 fruits. Second example, 3, 3, 3, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 3, 4. The longest subarray with at most 2 types is 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 5 fruits. Forget the fruit story completely. The real problem is, find the longest subarray with at most k distinct elements, where k is 2. This is one of the most classic sliding window patterns. It's a variable size window. The window grows as long as the constraint is satisfied, and shrinks when we have too many distinct elements. Same approach works for any k. Here is the strategy. Use a hash map to count fruit types in the current window. Expand right, add the new fruit to the map. Check, do we have more than 2 distinct types? If no, great, update the maximum length. If yes, shrink from the left. Remove the leftmost fruit from the map. If its count reaches 0, delete it from the map. Keep shrinking until we are back to 2 or fewer types. Then expand again. Let's trace. Fruits 1, 2, 3, 2, 2. Start with 1 map has 1 with count 1. 1 type, max is 1. Add 2, 2 types, max is 2. Add 3, 3 types. Too many. Shrink from left, remove 1. Its count hits 0, delete from map. Now window is 2, 3, 2 types. Continue expanding. Add 2, window is 2, 3, 2, still 2 types, max is 3. Add 2, window is 2, 3, 2, 2, 2 types, max is 4. Done. Answer is 4. The code is clean. Create a hash map called basket. Left pointer starts at 0. For each right position, add the fruit to the basket, increment its count. If the basket has more than 2 types, shrink from the left. Decrement the left fruit's count. If it hits 0, erase it from the map. Move left forward. Keep shrinking until we are back to 2 types. After each step, update the result, maximum of current result, and window size. Return the result. That's it. Bigger example. 3, 3, 3, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 3, 4. Start collecting 3s, max is 3. Add 1, 2 types, max 4. Add 2, 3 types. Shrink, remove all 3s until we drop to 2 types. Window becomes 1, 2. Keep expanding, 1, 2, 1, 1, max is 4. 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, max is 5. Add 3, 3 types again. Shrink until valid. Eventually we get 3, 3, then 3, 4 gives 3 types, lots of shrinking. But max stays 5. Final answer, 5. Time complexity, O of n. Even though there's a while loop inside the for loop, each element is added to the window at most once and removed at most once. The left pointer only moves forward. So total operations are at most 2n, which is O of n, space complexity, O of 1. The map never has more than 3 entries before we shrink it back to 2. Constant space. This problem uses k equals 2, but the pattern generalizes to any k. Just change the condition from greater than to greater than k. Same code structure. LeetCode 340 is the general version, at most k distinct. LeetCode 159 is the same as this problem. LeetCode 992, subarrays with exactly k distinct, uses the at most k trick twice. Master this one template and you can solve an entire family of problems. Like and subscribe for more patterns.